In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key in Base44. Let's get started right from the Base44 app. Make sure you're logged into your account in your browser. Once you're in the main dashboard, look towards the upper corner of the screen for your profile icon. This might look like your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to your personal and account options. From that drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. This is where all of your core account configuration lives, including things like your profile details, workspace information, and of course your API key. Click on Account Settings to open that page. It might take a second to load, especially if your connection is a bit slow, so just give it a moment. Once you're on the account settings page, you'll notice several sections or tabs that organize different parts of your account. Look for the section labeled API key. This might appear in a sidebar menu or as a tab across the top of the settings area, depending on the current layout of Base44. When you see API key, click on it to open that specific area. Here, you'll see your API key associated with your Base44 workspace or account. In many tools, this key may be partially hidden for security, and you might have a button like Reveal, Show, or Copy. If it's hidden, click to reveal it only if you're in a secure environment where no one else can see your screen. When you're ready to use it, use the Copy button if one is available, or carefully select and copy the key, making sure you don't include any extra spaces. Remember, your API key is essentially a password that allows other applications or scripts to talk to your Base44 account. You should never share it publicly, post it in screenshots, or commit it to public code repositories. Store it somewhere safe, like a secure password manager or an environment variable in your development setup. If you don't see an API key yet, there may be an option to generate one on this same page. Follow any prompts carefully, and once generated,